Hi, welcome to V's Right House Kitchen. Today we're going to make black pepper beef, 黑椒牛柳. For this dish, you need beef, some crunchy vegetables, black pepper, and a few common Chinese condiments. Cut the beef into long chunky strips. Mix it with cornstarch, rice wine, soy sauce, and a little water. Then coat it with a little oil to lock in the moisture. Slice the onion, garlic, and bell pepper. I highly recommend using freshly ground black pepper instead of pre-made powder from a jar. It makes a big difference in flavor. Mix the black pepper with oyster sauce, light soy sauce, sugar, cornstarch, sesame oil, and some water. Have this sauce ready before you start cooking. Heat the wok until smoking, then coat the surface with oil. Spread the marinated beef strips so they brown quickly. Once most of the pink color is gone, dish out the meat. Add a little more oil, then stir in garlic, onion, and bell pepper. Toss for a minute, then return the beef. Continue frying for another minute. Add the sauce and toss until it thickens slightly and coats everything evenly. Sprinkle more black pepper if you like a punchier taste. That's it. Serve it with steamed rice and tuck in. Hope you like it.